So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about ChatGPT, the most prominent AI in today's world. This actually answers most of our questions, anything. This is actually getting famous and it is a popular AI now with so many users actually using it for their work. To come into the ChatGPT, first we will actually log in into this link. I'll put this link into my description. Here you can click this link and you must create an account. You must log in it. After login, you come with a home page like this with ChatGPT here with so many instructions given here and limitations also. So guys, we will try one question. The first question we will ask to ChatGPT, that is, what is ChatGPT? Here we will see the answer. So we can see here the ChatGPT is giving answer about itself. It has given that it is actually a language model developed by OpenAI. It is actually generated like human-like responses, which actually it is to give actually the answers to the questions given by the users. It was actually true. So now we will write another question, that why we should use ChatGPT. What are the reason? What is the main reason that I must use as a user ChatGPT? So the ChatGPT is giving several reasons that why a user must use the ChatGPT. Here there are so many reasons. First is quick and convenient access to information, means the answer given by ChatGPT is quick and relevant that you can use anywhere. And accuracy level also is actually pretty much high. And assistance, personalized assistance, which can actually give your preferences to your queries, also personal assistance. And also ChatGPT can give support to multilingual, multiple languages. If I need answer in French, German, it can also give answer in that language also, which is also one of the reasons that I must use. Automation, actually it can give support to various applications and workflows. Actually it can give a help to our routine tasks such as customer service inquiries or data analysis. And also continuous learning. ChatGPT is constantly improving through its exposure to new data. That means it is actually training, it is actually learning. ChatGPT is still learning. It is not expert. It's still learning. It is actually increasing its accuracy level. So day by day, the ChatGPT is improving. So now we have saw the three questions that ChatGPT has answered on itself. Now we will see that how ChatGPT can answer the technical questions, which are very important. Right? Write a Python program for Fibonacci. We will see that what will be the code. So now ChatGPT is writing a Python code for Fibonacci, and it is giving an explanation also at how it works and how it can generate an output. And here is the output. You can see the Fibonacci. We will try another program. Um, Write a Python program for swapping to numbers. If I take, then we'll see the code. I know it will come previous like this. So here two nums are taken and it is swapped using temp, and here it is actually explaining. The very advantage of this ChatGPT is it gives the code and also it explains it afterwards. That's one of the big advantage here. Now these are all the simple programs that actually a student can do. Now we will see that how ChatGPT responds to a complex programs. Wait, code for to game. So I have written Python code for tic-tac-toe game. Here it is giving. This code is actually a difficult one. So I have chosen that whether ChatGPT can answer it. Yes, it can answer it very easily. Here many functions and inside that they are putting the input and the process, the rules, how the winner is decided, and here the code is done and it's now explaining it. So this is another program about timer. Let us see that if this code works. We will copy this code. We paste in a Jupyter, which is the Python executing platform, and we'll run this program. Yes, it is actually fine. I think it is working. Here, if we add a seconds like uh, 7 seconds, then yes, now you can see that the timer is decreasing. Hence, this program is correct. ChatGPT has answered this program. Now, guys, we have seen about technical problems and how ChatGPT answers. Now, we will see how ChatGPT answers about opinion questions. The opinion means the comparison questions, whether this is right or this is wrong, like that. We will see it. First, I'll write the question, which is best color, red or blue? We see what is the answer. It is saying that it don't have personal preferences or opinions like humans do. It's just an AI. It it gives and it is giving an example that red is often associated with passion, love, and danger, while blue is associated with calmness, trust, and loyalty. Hence, ChatGPT doesn't give any opinion whether a red is good or blue is good. It is saying that it doesn't have any personal preferences. It is maintain a neutrality. Now, after seeing the opinion questions, let us move to the questions that are frequently asked in projects, in assignments, etc. When we are in school, we are actually asked about to write a report about pollution, about environment condition, about social inequality, etc. We'll see how ChatGPT answers. We'll see, uh, write a report about environmental conditions by humans. We see how report is into right. So here it has started. It has first given introduction, and here it is giving some lines of intro, and here it is giving overview. That second part. So the how the project must be actually used a rule to start a how to start a project in the same way that chat gpt is also writing. So here overview it is giving so many points here that it's actually useful because children or students actually frequently asked question. This is to write an assignment, and here ChatGPT is answering it. And by seeing it, by taking inspiration from it, a student can write it in his report. And here, yes, mitigation effects, everything it is given. I think it will give conclusion later on. Yes, conclusion, which is the last part. So here a complete report has been done based on environmental degradations by humans, and like it many I think like this only many assignment questions, project questions also the chat gpt can give answers. Accuracy rate may be 90%. So now we will ask a question that normally a tourist ask or normally an outsider ask in a city. Like we'll ask to chat gpt, what are the top vegetarian hotels in Mysore? What are the some vegetarian hotels in Mysore? So yes, it is writing that there is many Hotel Mailari, Madhva Bhavan, Hotel RRR, which are all some of the popular vegetarian hotels. So it is also helpful for tourist, for an outsider who comes to visit a city if he wants a vegetarian hotel or anything cafe like that. He can write that question in ChatGPT and ChatGPT answers it. Now let us take another example where a student wants to know which course he like to take in the future. He's actually confused, but he has an hobby that he likes designing, express software design and animation type, app editing, like etc. So we'll ask the chat GPT that what are its opinions, that what are its suggestions to a student having these qualities. I am writing, I am a student. I like software designing, animations, um, animations, editing, etc. Which course is suitable for me? So here I'll write whether it will give answer. So here I've given. So first it has given computer science. Yes, it is very necessary. Java, Python, C++ because software designing is there here. Graphic design, which is actually main for animations, editing, multimedia design, web development. Yes, it's also very front end development using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So ultimately, these four courses, ChatGPT has given suggestion to a student who likes animations, editing, and software design. Now we can actually treat ChatGPT as a friend. Take an example, you treat ChatGPT as a friend. Now we will ask a question that I am feeling bored. What should I do for time pass? So here are some of the suggestions that ChatGPT is giving, like read a book, watch a movie or TV show, and it is also giving an explanation that why you should do it. Listen to music, interesting podcast, learn a new skill like cooking, reading, exercise, play a game with your friends, connect with friends or family, go outside, have a ride, take a walk, etc. So these are some of the answers that ChatGPT is giving that if you feel bored, and you can write anything like what uh, if I am feeling sad, how I should be happy, like many things you can give that questions to ChatGPT and ChatGPT may give you answers. So, guys, here it is about a ChatGPT, the OpenAI, where a person can search about anything. The ChatGPT tries to answer it. You can make a report of your assignment. You can actually ask like a friend that what should you do when you are feeling sad, what makes you happy, and what are the Python codes, the programming, the technical ways, how which all codes are required, whether it be simple programs or complex programs. And as a student, what are the future courses that I should look on? These are my hobbies based on this. So these are some of the questions that ChatGPT will likely to answer you. And you can also in cover page also they have given some examples that where the ChatGPT can answer, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas for 10-year-old birthday? How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? And these are all the capabilities that of ChatGPT, and these are some of the limitations. It has limited knowledge of world events after 2021. So this is a ChatGPT. This is how it works, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you.